Hello, what's up you guys? It's me Mandy. So today we are going to do another unboxing of anime unboxing box. Anime box, anime mystery boxes, y'all. Like I said before, I have like a brand new batch for you all. Sorry for the noise, obviously. Sorry for the lights, obviously. This won't like go anywhere. It's just gonna be like this. I finally got all the boxes that I ordered, but again, obviously we'll do like a one box per video. Yeah, I chose this one. This box is like super huge. Again, before I start, there's I will include a timeline for you guys to watch this video. Without further ado, let's get started. For this one, it's actually two boxes in one thing. I don't know what, one packet. I'll try to put the information at one of the sites. It's supposed to be one current animes. I mean, it can be anything, right? So the other box would be the previous or like either ended or like still running anime. It could be like something like so long ago, whatever. If you can hear this, there's mangas, yo. There's two mangas. I don't know how am I supposed to like pick it out. I'll take out. Oh, first we have Jujutsu Kaisen manga. Not bad. So I believe Jujutsu Kaisen is like the current one, not the old one. I ordered this from Indonesia, by the way. I think this is like a doujinshi or like a translation version, because if y'all can read this, this is actually written in Indonesian language. I don't think this is like the original, the real manga. Yes, it is a translation version. If y'all can read this, it says here,
satu hari di resto masakan China. Katanya nanti juga bakal ada angin tofu.
But I guess it's like they picked up the real manga and they translated it, because as y'all can see, for two boxes it's 50. I'll put the price somewhere down below. We have another manga. Y'all, what year is this?
Indonesian edition for distribution and sale in Indonesia only.
I've never seen this before, and it's like a very old, like super old. It's like yellow. It's like legit yellow. But I don't mind reading manga like any language, as long as I can understand it. Oh yeah, it's a very old one, because even the plastics are like yellow. Damn, this is a bad one. So yeah, this is the manga. This is like Sailor Moon's old kind of like drawings, if y'all can see. That's super Sailor Moon style. It's like 20 years back, 30 years back, probably more. I don't know. How old is this? No, wait. 2005? 2005. That's so old. But yeah, it is what it is. I mean, as long as I can read it, I mean, I don't mind. But still, two non-official mangas. So next we have, what do we have? Oh, what is this? Let's see.
Do you have anything else here? No? Oh, we do.
There's one sticker.
Let's see if we have anything else before we open that big paper.
Oh, there's like stickers right here. Let me pick it out. We have Kachan. That makes me happy. And this, I don't know, it's a fan art or something, but this is Kachan. Oh, we have a lot of things here. Ooh, we have plenty of stickers. Okay, now we have oh, that's a lot. I can show you all.
This. Kakegurui. That's like I don't know much of the animes, but I know this is fairy tale. I've seen this, but I can't remember the name. Kageyama. I don't know, but I saw like Ichika somewhere here. Haikyuu. Kakegurui. Isn't there Stray Dogs? Something I can't remember. This I can't remember, but yeah, I know. This is cute, but I don't know what it is. This is the Hanako toilet thing. This. Okay, plenty of like good stickers. I can say that these are like a very good quality. Sebastian, no, CL.
I can say that all of these are very very good qualities. They are like thick and like no bleedings or whatever, so they are like, to be honest, they can be very good stickers. So now we move on to this one. I don't know if the purpose serves it well, but like, y'all, this is a poster of, I don't know what character this is, but like, y'all, it's like ruined already. What the hell? And then we have another two more, which is the smaller version. One and another one. So please put down in the comment section down below what is this. But this looks like Demon Slayer kind of character. I don't know, I could be wrong. So none of them are like official. Does it worth any money? Yeah, probably. I can't say for sure that they are okay. But to be honest, I don't feel like it was, because I mean, like, if I can get like a better, I mean, instead of giving me some old or like weird doujinshis, y'all can just give me like keychains or whatever. Like, there are so many other things that could be better for the price. You know, if y'all interested in any of this, y'all can go to this shop in Shopee. Look, probably this is your lane but not my lane. It's a bit disappointing, to be honest, but it's okay. It's a mystery box after all. Y'all can, I mean, we cannot demand much, right? So yes, I guess that is all for today. We'll try to unbox another box later. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, watch and like other video. Obviously comment if you guys want to see something else, whatever. But yeah, I thank you all for watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.